the hood. There you go. Open her up. Probably need to replace the battery soon.
Definitely.
And it's pretty corroded. But here's what you do. Hook up both of the prongs, keeping the device off. So there you go. Get a good connection, even though it's corroded. Good connection. Okay, now turn it on. Count to 5. And then something's trying. Because we've used this a bunch, it probably doesn't have that many charges left. Let's push this button, which gives it like an extra boost. Okay, now go and start the truck. Let's see how we do.
With it still in?
Yep, just like that. Turn off the device. Disconnect those. Put it away. Save the day again. Your friends, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Let's close the hood. Okay, we have charged about maybe 7 times that we've used this, and you can see right here that the lights are down. It's charging at the 3rd little dot, meaning that the battery, we used about half of it. I would guess we can get probably 15 jump starts out of this box in this truck. And here's how it charges up, just like your phone charges. You just plug it in right there. It does take a little bit of time, but just as we're driving around, we can plug it in. So this one, I bought it one size oversized for the vehicle we're in right now. Right now I'm in a 20-year-old V8, a big engine, which takes a little bit more power to turn it over. So by buying the 2000 amp a little bit bigger, that means that I can safely get, I'm gonna guess 15 jump starts before I have to recharge it. If you get one that's just the right size, you won't get that many. You know, you'll still get a handful for sure, but you're gonna have to recharge it more often. So I'll put a link down in the description down below. Think about getting it one size bigger. These come in all different sizes, so you'll be able to kind of like figure out your configuration of your vehicle. Buy it one size bigger is the advice I have. This is a lifesaver. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the description down below.